Have you ever used AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT to write code faster? They are amazing tools, right? But here's the problem. AI generated code isn't always perfect. Sometimes it's outdated, sometimes it has bugs that cause memory issues, and sometimes it even references databases that don't exist anymore. This isn't just me saying it. An award-winning study from NYU Tandon School of Engineering found that about 40% of AI generated code contains bugs or security flaws. So how do you know which parts of your code were written by AI and might have issues? That's exactly what we are solving today with Codespy.ai. In this video, we are gonna explore Codespy.ai, a tool that detects AI-generated code in your projects. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it to improve your code quality and avoid those hidden bugs. So stay with me till the end. Let me quickly introduce Codespy.ai. It's a platform designed specifically for developers, coders, educators, and tech professionals who want to identify AI-generated code in their projects. The tool works with multiple programming languages: C#, Java, Python, JavaScript, and PHP. One important thing to note: Codespy doesn't rewrite or fix your code, it simply detects which parts were generated by AI, so you know exactly where to focus during your quality assurance process. And honestly, that's exactly what we need, because we humans should be the ones fixing bugs, not relying on AI to fix AI mistakes. Alright, let's see how this works in real life. I've already created an account on Codespy.ai and the interface is pretty straightforward. For today's demo, I am using Java code. Let me paste this first code example. This one was written by AI. Now I will run the detector. As you can see, Codespy is highlighting the sections that were AI generated. It gives you a clear report showing exactly which parts came from an AI model. Now let me test another sample. This one is human written code. Look at that. The detector shows significantly less or no AI generated content. This is how you can quickly identify what's what in your code base. So who is this tool actually for? Well, it's perfect for a few groups. If you are running a small software consulting business, maybe just you and a couple of developers, this tool is a game changer. You can use AI assistants to speed up your work, but then use Codespy to spot potentially buggy code before sending it to clients. The better your code is when you submit it, the fewer revisions you will get. That means more time, more contracts, and better reviews. There's also a plan for medium-sized businesses with teams up to 50 people. Your team can use AI assistants for efficiency, but Codespy helps with accountability and catching issues during QA. Plus, here's something important. More and more large software firms are adding contract clauses about how much AI code can be used in projects. So if you are a subcontractor or managing a team, you need to know how much AI code is in your project before submitting it. So with just a few clicks, you can detect AI-generated code and improve your project quality. If you are a developer using AI coding assistants, if you run a consulting business, or if you manage a development team, Codespy.ai is definitely worth checking out. I will drop the link in the description below. Go check it out and let me know what you think in the comments. Have you had issues with AI generated code before? I would love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.